Rí ògo látinú ògo lọ sínú ògo.
Wait, have you measured this one?
Have you measured this one?
No. Okay, so just measure 2 times. Does it not follow
It has to clean. Okay, so place in the oven.
Oh.
Here, oh yeah.
Yeah!
Put it in the oven.
You know this first.
You haven't touched the this thing.
And our young bakers made, what did you make today, young bakers?
Savory steak pie.
Savory steak pie. So, can you open up so that we see how your savory, what the inside look like? Okay. 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 It's like a mini pie. Yeah, that's good. Well done, everyone.
Thank you.
They like eating. They like to eat.
I'm a pie heaven.
Yeah.